Hi, and welcome to lesson 50. Let's learn 30 new words while answering questions. I can't wait for your answers. Compare, comparison. Do you often compare yourself to others? Impatient. Are you usually patient or impatient? Persuade. Have you ever tried to persuade someone to change their opinion? Sentence. Do you find it easy to write complete sentences? Have you ever received a sentence in court, even a minor one? Table. What's usually on your table at home? Book. What's the last book you read? Ahead. Do you like planning ahead or are you more spontaneous? Journey. What's the longest journey you've ever taken? Invoice. Have you ever received or had to pay an invoice? Hardly. Is there anything you hardly ever do? Square. Do you prefer squares or circles in design? Uncommon. Do you enjoy trying uncommon foods? Glad. When was the last time you felt truly glad? Mathematics, maths, math. Did you enjoy math in school? Passenger. Do you prefer being the driver or a passenger? Patient. Are you a patient person? Patience. How do you practice patience in your daily life? Several. Are there several things you always carry with you? Upon. How do you feel upon meeting new people? Cat, catwalk. Do you have a pet cat or would you like one? Have you ever watched a fashion show with models walking on the catwalk? Display. Do you have any artwork or photos on display at home? Motorcycle, motorbike. Have you ever ridden a motorcycle? Numerous. Can you think of numerous ways to have fun without spending money? Small. What's one small thing that makes you happy? Choose, chose, chosen. How do you usually decide when you have to choose between two options? Club. Are you a member of any clubs or groups? Pocket. What's the strangest thing you've ever found in your pocket? Sidewalk, pavement. Do you think sidewalks should be wider in busy areas? Unhealthy. Do you avoid eating unhealthy foods? Although, though. Do you ever make plans although you know you're busy? And that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.